Hi, this is Rajiv Makni and welcome to an incredible adventure that both you and I are going to go on. This is the 21st floor and I'm here at the Hisense office, the world #2 brand in TV manufacturing. But I've come here today to experience something revolutionary, their new laser TV. This is the future of home entertainment. All right, this is what I came for, that beautiful 120-inch screen you see at the back. That's coming from this incredible small little laser 4K TV from Hisense. The biggest thing is portability and weight, right? This is just 20 kgs. If you bring, let's say, a 100-inch, let's say, LED TV, that will be 100 kgs, 110 kgs. Usko fit kaise karoge? Through an elevator, through a narrow apartment areas and all of that, and then mount it 100 kgs on a wall, right? This is just 20 kgs. Second thing, ये जो screen है, ALR screen है, ये भी foldable है. And the best part is that even though you're thinking, अरे यार ये तो बड़ा complicated है, projection system ये और वो, it's not, because the Hisense people will come and set it up for you. That's one. The second big deal is that this is an ultra short throw. इसको आप जो है wall से, you're just keeping it a few inches away, right? You don't need to put it at the back of the room for the projection or anything like that. That's why it's an ultra short throw laser TV. Makes a big difference because the amount of space it's taking. जिस तरीके से it looks absolutely beautiful wherever you'll put it, whether it's in your bedroom or a living room or a den, wherever you want to put it, a home theater room. It's just very easy to install. And then the power consumption of this is 50% lower than a conventional TV. So you put it all together, it really is an incredible device. And just look at the picture. And the ALR screen that actually rejects light coming from anywhere but the actual laser TV. So see the way the screen is rejecting all that light. The only light it's taking is from the actual laser TV. So ALR यानी कि ambient light rejection. ये जो trichroma laser का इसमें जो system बनाया है, 3 lights होती हैं, RGB, red, green, blue. This one is actually putting all those sources together of the 3 lights and giving you this perfect color, perfectly tuned hai. You can of course improve it in many ways, and this will give you all the formats you really want, Dolby Vision and others also. And remember, 4K, the resolution is fantastic. Isme 1900 patent pending technologies and 1900 in a single device. Ports इन्होंने सारे इन्होंने दे दिए. Anything that you want to connect to it, you can. Mainly, and the most important ones being 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI ports. It's got RJ45. It's got an aux port. It's got a digital out for sound. All of those built in. But even more importantly, they've built it for everything that you need. इसमें TV tuner भी built in है. So if you do really need that to happen also, in terms of connectivity, build quality, and that look, this is absolutely fantastic. तो क्या आप देखोगे, क्या आप सुनोगे, उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. So first and foremost, of course, 4K. I already told you, so very, very nice Ultra HD resolution for this one. Then, of course, it's got Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. यानी कि sound and video both are absolutely covered. So whether you're watching Netflix or Disney Hotstar, or you're watching something that has got the absolute best resolution, you automatically आपको दिखाएगा that it is capable of doing that, and it actually does execute it very, very well. Wide color gamut है इसमें, so that you get all the dynamic colors that you really need. ये जो devices होते हैं ना, mostly ultra short throw projectors का सबसे बड़ा Achilles heel यानी कि weak point क्या होता है, वो होता है sound. इसमें 40 watts के front firing speakers हैं, and they can go really loud. You know what happens in this? इसमें वो है, जैसे डायरेक्टर का कट होता है ना, मतलब डायरेक्टर ने कैसे सोचा था इसके कलर्स कैसे होने चाहिए, कॉन्ट्रास्ट कैसे होना चाहिए, कौन सा सीन बहुत ब्राइट होना चाहिए, कौन से एरिया बहुत डार्क होने चाहिए. The director puts in all this information when that movie is playing. And this device has the ability to recognize that. That's why it's called filmmaker mode. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. You're literally seeing the movie the way the director wanted you to see it. एक और बहुत interesting चीज है smoothing of the motion. तो क्या होता है, sometimes when things are moving very fast, like in a game or an action scene, जैसे कोई car racing scene चल रहा है, या कोई some बहुत ही heavy duty running चल रही है, something where bombs are exploding, उस time पे you will see something called artifacts, right? वो जो motion है of the person moving, वो कुछ चीजें पीछे छोड़ जाता है. when you actually have something like smoothing of all that motion with MEMC technology also built into this. एक और चीज, it's not just for cinema and people that love watching series and TV kind of series only. Lot of stuff for gamers also that has been built in. सबसे जरूरी होता है, and the minute I say this, you gamers are going to be very excited. इसमें automatic low latency mode है, which means that you're really not going to be having any of that problem that happens with gamers where the action is too much and the television or the projection system cannot keep up. So this does a kick-ass job there too. और जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है इसमें, उसका नाम है वीडा. नाउ यू मे नॉट हैव हर्ड ऑफ इट, बट इट इज क्वाइट अ फेमस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. हाइसेंस यूज करता है इन सम ऑफ देयर टीवीज आल्सो. और इसमें जो है, यू आर गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ऐप दैट यू नीड, फ्रॉम द नेटफ्लिक्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टू ZEE5 एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. इंडिया के आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट सारे ऐप्स रिप्रेजेंटेड हैं यहाँ पे. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज अ वेरी स्मूथ इंटरफेस, द वे दे बिल्ट द वीडा सिस्टम. और वीडा जो है इन प्लेसेस लाइक US, यूरोप, अफ्रीका, वेरी वेल रिस्पेक्टेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. लॉट ऑफ पीपल लव द वे दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वर्क्स. बहुत ही इंट्यूटिव है, वेरी इजी टू यूज. आप सोचे चलो मैंने खरीद लिया, कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई. वेल, यूजुअली हाइसेंस हैज अ वेरी गुड रेपुटेशन कि वो नहीं होगा. बट द आइसिंग ऑन द केक इज दिस कम्स विद अ 3-year वारंटी. और क्या क्या कर रहा है हाइसेंस, व्हाट इज इट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस दैट दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट, व्हाट एल्स इज इन देयर पोर्टफोलियो, फ्यूचर में क्या आएगा. लेट्स नाउ गो एंड टॉक टू द CEO ऑफ हाइसेंस इंडिया, प्रणव. That truly feels, sounds and looks like the future of home entertainment. And I have to say now I'm very excited because joining me now is Pranav, the CEO of Hisense. And Pranav, I'm thrilled to be here because I've been wanting to do this, come down to Hisense office for a long time. I've come in, I experienced this product, so I'm on absolutely cloud nine.
Hi Rajiv, we are really glad to welcome you to our office, Hisense India.
No. The pleasure is all mine. When I come in, one, meeting all of you. Second, a product that is this good. But I'm going to start off straight away because so many questions that I have for you. So the first one really is, tell us a little bit about Hisense, both globally and in India. What's your perspective, your position? Where is Hisense? Who is Hisense?
Well, Hisense is a company established in 1969, almost same age of mine. Okay. And then it's basically a number one brand, TV brand in China.
Right.
And in the globally, we are very close to the number one position.
Wow.
As far the TV is concerned. Okay, so that's the Hisense brand. And globally, when I mean actually in USA, in Europe, in Africa, this brand is really rolling. And coming to India, yes, we are pretty young. And we just entered into this country in 2020, but we are growing very fast. As you rightly said, now it is a familiar name in India, and our product is available now almost in all the channels, all the regions for India. And the product what we have developed, it is for the entire segment or entire demographic of the Indian consumer. So that is the achievement in these 3 years' time, what we have done so far.
You're right, you're very young and then you went through a very interesting start and now some great products. We'll talk a lot about the products in your portfolio. I want to come down to this, the laser TV, the one that I actually came here to experience and review. Tell me a few things that you really love about this. What's so different about this ultra short throw projector laser TV market is a huge growing market in India. But a lot of people unfamiliar with the feature sets and what this can do. Tell me a little bit about what you really loved. I've already done quite a review, so the technical parts I've taken care of. I'd love to know a little bit more about what you really love about it.
Great. This all about the home entertainment. How you bring the theater-like experience into home. Because nowadays the home delivery is very popular, right? So let's bring
so you're delivering the entire cinema to the home.
To the home. Okay. So when I say enter cinema, so how was the experience look like, right? Okay. So first of all, this question is coming the screen size. How big is the screen size? How I can experience that theater experience? 120 inch. It's reasonably a big size screen, which will give you the cinema-like experience. So in this case, the portability is playing a major role. Okay. The weight is just 20 kg compared to normal 100-inch TV, which is almost about 100 kgs. And then about the short ultra technology, you can have a good vision of the TV from a shorter distance.
Yeah, very, very short, in fact, some 30 centimeters or something like that.
Without impacting your eyesight.
Right.
Whatever my room size is that, I'm really comfortable to have such kind of large screen size TV and can enjoy the theater-like experience. Now the question is coming about the sounds. Can I have that?
That was my next sound, because I think for Indians, right, people would be like, wow, this is amazing technology, but now I'll have to put a sound bar, I'll have to have additional speakers and everything else. But the sound that I got was quite exceptional. In fact, I took it almost to levels where no one will ever hear it in their room. Very, very loud. Did not distort and everything else. So that's something that is really good. Tell me a little bit about the sound.
Okay, so this Ledger TV has Dolby Atmos audio technology. What does that mean? That means about also it is powered by the 40-watt speakers, the front-facing speakers, which is giving a complete 360-degree experience about the sound is concerned. Exactly same as what we feel in the theater.
Right.
Okay, so that's two things are very important as far the sound is concerned. With Trichroma laser technology, this reproduces a true color and the original as possible with the high resolution of 4K ultra resolution. So this is the picture quality what this TV produce.
So tell me one or two things you think that is the main reason why people now should switch to this ultra short throw laser TV than maybe a projector.
So when you talk about a projector and any DLP or LCD projector and a laser TV, it is basically the technology, the laser technology what are using to reproduce that high resolution. And one more thing you rightly said, when you talk about the big screen, it's a foldable screen which can be installed properly, in your wall without any kind of complication. And most important thing that understanding the Indian consumer, understanding how the Indian people, we stay at home and all. So we have the laser expert. We have created a service team who was quite trained and experienced how to install a laser TV and how to give a real demo to the customer to make sure that they should experience each and every feature of our TV. And that again, going back to the bringing theater to the home, then this objective is we meet by doing all these things.
Absolutely. No, great points. And of course, you spoke about one more point, which I think I'm going to re-emphasize, the portability. I mean, getting a 100-inch TV into an apartment or a home, this weighs 20 kgs?
20 kgs.
20 kgs, and that's pretty much it. And then the screen is foldable, you can put it, so the portability also makes a big difference. So we've seen some great innovation out here. We've seen some real cutting edge technology, but I know that this is not the end. This is just the beginning from what Hisense is bringing. You want to tell everybody, with millions of people watching this right now, just whet our appetite a little bit. What's coming in the future?
Considering now India, the way the young generation is moving toward the tech savvy young generation, and their interest is now varying, from sports to gamings, they look forward everything, which generally has been changed.
Right.
So therefore, we are developing a lot of Google TVs, so the unlimited entertainment for everyone in the family.
Right.
That we rest assured. And as you rightly mentioned, Indian consumer means we talk about the sounds. So a lot of innovation is going on the sound side because our Tornado series TV is very popular in the market now. Right. It has come in all the range, and that's the basically strength of Hisense now because of Tornado series. So all those research and development is happening in our R&D center in our headquarters, and we are going to bring a lot more. Let's wait and watch what else are coming, and you are the right person to talk about that.
I promise every one of you, like I've come and reviewed this one here, I'm going to be reviewing a lot of Hisense products because their portfolio is looking great, their innovation is looking great. So lots coming up in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
for
having me here.